Hi everybody, my name is Laura, as you already know, your English teacher. We bring a special video for you today. In this video lesson, I am going to teach you some feelings, okay? The way that you can express your feelings and emotions. Salut tout le monde, nous sommes Laurent, professeur anglais. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre comment capable exprimer ça au senti. C'est ça nous en anglais, feelings. Without further ado, let's get started. Sans perdre du temps, on commence. Okay? So, as you already know, what I want you to do, I want you to listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's go. Talk about feelings. Talk about feelings. Talk about feelings means parler de sans sentir, okay? The first is hot. Let's repeat together. Hot. Hot means chaud, okay? For example, if you want to say moins chaud ou bien moins senti chaleur, comment on capable dire ça en anglais? Moi dis I am hot. One more time. I am hot. Moi senti chaud aujourd'hui. Comment on capable dire ça? I am hot today. Moi senti chaleur aujourd'hui. Comment on capable dire ça en anglais? Me dit I am hot today. Nous senti chaleur. We are hot today. Okay? We are hot today. And the second is thirsty. Moi je le répéter. Thirsty. Thirsty means soif. Okay? Si vous voulez dire soif, on a dit thirsty. For example, if I want to say moins soif. How can I say that in English? Moins soif. I say I am thirsty. Repeat again. I am thirsty. I am thirsty means moins soif. Okay? For example, if you're thirsty, you need something to drink, right? You say, I am thirsty. I need something to drink. Okay? So you say, I am thirsty. I need something to drink. Ça veut dire moins senti, moins soif, moins besoin de bagay pour boire. Okay? If you are hot, you need something to drink. If you are thirsty as well, you need something to drink. Okay? Moins soif, moins besoin de bagay pour boire. On va dire ça en anglais. I am thirsty. I need something to drink. Okay? Super easy, guys. Vraiment facile. Okay? Let's move to the next one. Sleepy. I want you to repeat. Sleepy. Sleepy means avoir sommeil. Le moun a gen dormi. For example, if it is very late, okay, it's late, and you want to go to bed, you can say that I am sleepy. Okay? I am sleepy means moins gen sommeil. J'ai sommeil. Comment on peut dire moins gen sommeil? I say I am sleepy. I am sleepy. Moins besoin d'aller dormir. Comment on peut dire ça? I am sleepy. I need to go to bed. I need to go to the bed. Okay? Moins gen dormi, moins besoin d'aller dormir. J'ai sommeil, j'ai besoin d'aller dormir. When I say I am sleepy, I need to go to bed, or I need to go to the bed. Okay? That's very easy, guys. Let's read the next one. In love. In love. In love means être amoureux. Okay? For example, si je dis moins amoureux, comment on dit ça en anglais? Je dis I am in love. Okay? I can say that. I am in love. So when you say I am in love, you will dire moi amoureux. Okay? Now, let's see the example. On a regardé l'exemple ensemble. Nous dit the girl and the boy are in love. Moi, je vais répéter ensemble. The girl and the boy are in love. Ti garçon avec ti fille yo amoureux. Okay? The girl and the boy are in love. I am in love. Moi amoureux. You are in love. Ok? Ou amoureux. Parce que chaque monde qui est un monde yo amoureux. De quoi dire moi amoureux? You say I am in love. That's fine. And the next one is jealous. Moi je vais le répéter. Jealous. Jealous means jaloux. Ok? Jealous, jaloux. For example, moi capable dire moi jaloux. Comment capable dire moi jaloux? I am jealous. I am jealous. Ok? So you madame ou doit jaloux pour dire. Comment capable dire moi jaloux? I am jealous. Moi jaloux en pile. I am so jealous. Okay? That's fine. If I say qu'on a dit sous jaloux en anglais, very easy guys. And I got example by now. The little girl feels jealous. The little girl feels jealous. La petite fille se sent jalouse. Petite fille, li sentit jaloux. Okay? Moi sentim jaloux. I feel jealous. That's the same thing. Okay? The next one is disappointed. Disappointed means déçu. Okay? I'm sorry. Okay? We say disappointed. Disappointed means déçu. For example, if someone did something you did not expect, parfois si on fait bagay que ou pas t'attendre avec, et vous pouvez dire wow, monsieur fait déçu, ou moi déçu. I say I am disappointed. Okay? I am disappointed. I am disappointed means moi déçu. Okay? I am disappointed. That's fine. And the next one is scared. On va le répéter. Scared. Okay? So you can say scared, but you can say afraid. Okay? Almost the same thing, guys. Scared. For example, I say moi peur. On va dire moi peur. I am scared. Okay? I am scared. Moi peux regarder film qui fait mon peur. Comme on dit ça en anglais. I am scared of watching scary movies. Okay? Comme on dit moi peux regarder film qui fait mon peur. I say I am scared of watching scary movies. I am scared of watching scary movies. Moi peux regarder film qui fait mon peur. Scary movies veut dire film effrayant. Film qui fait mon peur. Okay? And afraid. Afraid means peur. Okay? I am afraid. Moi peur. Okay? I am afraid. Moi peur. That's fine. And the next one is ashamed. I am ashamed. I am ashamed means moi honte. Okay? Comme quand on dit moi honte en anglais, on dit I am ashamed. For example, I say I am ashamed. Moi honte. Okay? But the verb is to be ashamed. Okay? To be ashamed. For example, if I want to say ou honte, you are ashamed. Okay? Monsieur honte is ashamed. Okay, that's fine. And the next one is cold. Cold means froid. For example, vous capable sentir ou fret. C'est ça nous en créole fret. Par exemple, on dit moi sentir fret. I am cold. Or you can say I feel cold. That's the same thing. I am cold, moi fret. I feel cold, moi fret. Okay? Moi sentir fret en pile. I am so cold. Okay? Or I feel cold. That's the same thing. And let's make a little difference, guys. Nous gagnons to be. I have to be cold. Qui c'est avoir froid. Et nous gagnons to have a cold. Qui c'est les moun gagne wim. Okay? For example, I say I am cold. Moi fret. I have a cold. Moi gagne wim. What difference là? Let me say I am cold. If let's say moi fret, moi sentir fret. And I have a cold. I have a cold. means moi gen yon rhume. Moi gen yon rhume. I have a cold. Moi frère, I am cold. Okay, now you see the difference, guys. And the last one is shy. Deja say shy. I want you to repeat. Shy. Okay? Shy means timid. For example, if you want to say moi timide, comment on dit moi timide en agrandi? I am shy. Moi timide. I am shy. Comment on dit moi timide? I am shy. Pas timide. Okay, I say don't be shy. Don't be shy. Ou pas de timide. Comment on dit pas de timide? Don't be shy. Okay, guys, don't be shy to speak English. Pas timide pour parler anglais. Okay? Don't be shy to speak English. Pas timide pour parler anglais. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So what I want you to do, I want you to tell me what do you feel. How do you feel in the comment section below, okay? Merci pour ce que tu as regardé la vidéo. Ça me le fait, moi je veux dire qui soit senti dans section commentaire, ok? Dans la prochaine vidéo, pas oublier meilleure façon capable d'aider nous, c'est like ou partager ou abonner et puis ou like. N'attendons la prochaine vidéo. It was your English teacher, Laura. Bye bye for now.